Hi there, super spellers. Miss A's back.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Cody.
And who do you have there with you, Cody?
Cousin Echo.
Hi, Cousin Echo. We're so glad you're back. Thanks for joining us today. All right. Who remembers what we learned yesterday? What do you have there? What did we learn about yesterday, super spellers? That's right. We learned when Y is at the end of a word, it likes to sneak in E and I's closet and say super E because it has space to wear that cape, or super I. But when it says E at the end, that means it's a suffix and it turns that base word carry into an adjective or a describing word. All right, here we go, practicing our sounds. Y, baby, E, Y, cry, I.
Y, baby, E, Y, cry, I.
All right, you guys follow along and you repeat after me just like we always do in school, and follow along with Cousin Echo and Cody. Oh, can you do it without the letters at the bottom? E, Pete, E.
E, Pete, E.
Let's check it. Yay! J, jug, J.
J, jug, J.
Nicely done. I-N-K, pink, ink.
I-N-K, pink, ink.
Nicely done. U, pupil, U.
U, pupil, U.
Pupil is another word for a person. X, fox, X.
X, fox, X.
Oh, what's the next one? O-U, soup, ooh.
O-U, soup, ooh.
Let's check it. Nice. Q-U, queen, qua.
Q-U, queen, qua.
Nice. I-R, bird,
I-R, bird, er.
Let's check it. Way to go. A-L-L, ball, all.
A-L-L, ball, all.
Way to go. All right. Who remembers our trick words from yesterday? What was one of them? Come on, let's hear it. Oh, Cody's giving you a clue. Cody's giving you a clue. What was one? Something. Remember when you spell long words like this, chunk it into the small words you see. Some, S-O-M-E, S-O-M-E, T-H-I-N-G, T-H-I-N-G. Something. Nicely done. What was another one? Do you remember another trick word from yesterday?
Carry.
That's right, carry. C-A-R-R-Y. C-A-R-R-Y. And what's our last one, Cody?
Night.
Night. N-I-G-H-T.
N-I-G-H-T. Night.
Nice. Now remember, what the tricky part about these trick words, the reason they're called trick words, is you can't sound them out and you can't tap them out. So you have to practice them any chance you get. Write them in your sleep, write them on a mirror in your bathroom, build them with Legos. Any chance you get, practice these trick words because that's exactly what they are. They're tricky. All right. It's time for the word of
the week.
The day. Or the week. That works too. All right, here's your word of the day. Drum roll, please. What's our base word or our main word that you see here, super spellers? That's right, it's safe. And yesterday, we learned when you add a suffix like this, what is the Y going to say? What's the Y going to say, Cody?
E.
Yeah, so that TY says T. Safety. So sorry, Baby Dane wanted to join the party. Okay, now he's here to spell with you. I bet he can spell just like you can. Nah, not yet. Okay, so remember, if we take our base word safe and we add that suffix TY at the end, we are turning it into a describing word. And when we add ty to the very end, it means you are showing that thing. You are doing that thing. You are being that thing. So you could say, it is safe to wear a helmet, and we show safety by wearing our helmet when we ride our bike. So ty can be its own suffix. All right, now how would you mark up this word? If you have a pencil and paper near, or a whiteboard, or a tablet, or this cool interactive board that I showed you, you can find on our home learning website. I want you to write or build the word safe, your base word, A. Then I hear a bossy mama E making the A say its name. And then what's the suffix that we just learned you could add to it? That's right, ty. Oops, that's an F. ty. Because we know that Y at the end can say super E, because he likes to sneak in his closet. When he does that, he is part of the suffix ty. So if you're safe, you show safety. You are showing something. Nicely done. Now, how would you mark up this word? Well, I hear safety. I hear two syllables. I hear safe. Safe, definitely. And what do we know? What kind of syllable is that? What's the vowel? A, safe. Yep, that's right. It's a long A saying its name. Is that E saying anything? It's a bossy mama making the A say its name, but it doesn't make any sound. So that is a vowel, consonant, E syllable. That is one of the kinds of syllables we've learned about. And then what do we do with suffixes that we tack on the end as their own chunk or their own syllable, their own piece? That's right. Go ahead and circle the syllable at the end. That is how you mark up that word, safety. Nicely done. All right. The word of the week is safety. So now that you know safety, how would you turn safety into safely? Remember yesterday we learned 3 suffixes. Just Y says E, LY says ly, TY says T. How would you turn safety into safely? I safely crossed the street. That's right, you would change this suffix to ly. Nicely done. I safely crossed the street. All right, so let's finish our practicing together. Now is your chance to kind of practice everything that we've learned so far. I want you to grab a paper and a pencil. I want you to grab a whiteboard if you have one, a tablet with an interactive piece, whatever you might have. Back of a cereal box, back of a tissue box, or you can skywrite in the air and follow along with us. So the first word I want you to write is I want you to write pony. I want you to think about all we've learned this week and using the sound E at the end of a word, and I want you to write pony. I hear pone. O, long O, knee. Sure sounds like it would be an E at the end, doesn't it? Pony. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's check your pony. 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 All right, let's try another one together. Lobby. You sit in a lobby to wait for a show to start or to go to a hotel room. Lobby. Lobby. What do you hear in lobby? Oh, ah, ah. What sound says ah? Oh, octopus, ah, ah. Oh, and because it's a short O, what do you do with the consonant right after it? E. We know what a super E is at the end of a word. It's not actually an E. Pause the video if you need more time to finish spelling lobby. Lobby, because that O is short and saying ah, you double that B, double that consonant right after it. Lobby. Nicely done. All right. Next word, ruby. I want you to write ruby. Cody, what do you hear at the beginning of ruby?
R.
Ruby. What do you hear? Give it a go. Pause the video if you need more time. Ruby. Check it up here with your eyes. R-U, B. It sounds like B-E, but we sure know we're practicing those Y's have space to wear that super E at the end of a word. Ruby. Okay, I want you to write the base word wild. I want you to write the base word wild. You're not very helpful, baby Dean. Wild. Wild. Pause the video if you need more time. What do you hear? W-I-L-D. W-I, long I, Y-O-D. Wild. Okay, now turn that base word wild into an adjective. So Cody can be wild, or I could say, Cody wildly danced across the room. So now I'm turning it into an adjective. And now remember to turn base words into adjectives and describing words. You can add Y, T-Y, or L-Y to make it an adjective. All right, we have our base word wild. What suffix are you going to put at the end to turn wild into wildly, Cody?
L-Y.
Wildly. Sure sounds like it would be L-E. What do we know about Y at the end of word?
It says E.
Nicely done. Check it up here. Check it here, super spellers. W-I-L-D, base word, and then add that ly, wildly. Nicely done. Okay. Oh, nicely. I just said nicely. Go ahead and write the word nice. It has a rule breaker C in it. Write the word nice. So how would you turn nice into an adjective? The neighbor nicely or kindly brought cookies. Nicely. Play nicely with your friends. What would you add at the end? What suffix would you add to make nice into an adjective? Nicely. Nicely done. N-I-C-E-L-Y. Way to go, super spellers. All right, if you need extra practice with this week's trick words, any trick words we've done before, you can find them in our Literacy Google Classroom as an extra optional resource for just some fun ways to practice those tricky words that don't follow rules. Remember, what did Cousin Echo teach us this week?
That Y sneaks in E's closet.
Y likes to sneak in E's closet when he's at the end of a word, especially when he wants to make it an adjective or a describing word. So if it sounds like an E at the end of a word, it's most likely a Y. That's right. See y'all next time, super spellers. Bye.
Bye.